My wife ain't just gonna love me.
Right.
So I gotta like always work on that relationship on top of being there for my children, because before it was always focused on myself and my career. Then I had to, whoa, my kids need to grow too. How do I need to get them in sports. I need to get them in better educational programs. I just started leveling up all my life altogether. And I just started, a little bit more selfless. I stopped, I don't go out. I stopped going out as much. Yeah, I stopped going out as much, and I started really focusing, aligning my vision with my wife. Hey, babe, this is where we want to go. This is our 5-year plan. This is our 10-year plan. This is our 20-year plan. And we started like really inching away at it. And when I say inching away at it, I mean like really getting after it. I don't mean like just having a dream. It's a plan. I have to make this much money. I have to do this many appointments. I have to do this many deals. I have to invest this much.